Hello, dear students. I am Bhavna Dandwani from English Department. Let me welcome you all to very important and life transforming year of Standard 12. You will be boarding on your journey to achieve your desired goals. In the mission of your life, English will be playing a very important role. Our English textbook is combination of prose, poetry, writing skills and novel, which will take you on special journey of life, and these experiences would prepare you to face the challenges you would encounter in future. Let us begin with our first lesson from prose, An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan. This story is written by R.K. Narayan, who is famous and versatile Indian story writer. He is author of 14 novels, 5 volumes of short stories, and number of travelogues. He has collection of non-fiction to his credit. I still remember when I was young, I used to watch Malgudi Days on Doordarshan. He has created the imaginary town of Malguri, where realistic characters are surrounded by typically Indian setting, lived amid unpredictable events. His characters live very simple Indian life with unpredictable events, which creates suspense. He was awarded with Sahitya Akademi Award in 1961 for his novel The Guide. Later on, movie was made based on this novel in 1965 starring Devanand and Wahida Rehman. His style is graceful. It portrays human relationships and ironies of Indian daily life. Who is an astrologer? Astrologer is a person who study the movements of planets, sun, moon and stars in the belief that these movements can have an influence on people's life. ज्योतिषी होता है ना जो भविष्य बताता है. This is the story of an astrologer who pretends to have supernatural knowledge. Though he was an ignorant of the ways of stars and their effect on the lives of people, he carried on his business near the town hall park under a big tamarind tree. His appearance helps to create an impression on clients. His forehead was painted with sacred ash and vermilion. His dark whiskers streamed down his cheeks. His eyes were sharp and powerful, searching for clients. He was punctual. He carried a bag which consisted of dozen cowrie shell, a square piece of cloth with mystic charts on it, a notebook and a bundle of writings related to study of palm. He wore saffron colored turban on his head. He did good business as large number of people flocked to him. Though he was ignorant of astrology, he had acquired sufficient knowledge from his experience and skills and common sense. He told people what they liked to hear about themselves. As he pleased them, so they paid him enough to support his family. He had no light of his own. He carried out his business by using the lights of other nearby shops. His dim light suited his mysterious trade. He was a fake astrologer. He had left his village without knowing what career he would adopt. If he had lived there, he would have tilled land and grown crops. He had come 200 miles away from his native village. Experience, common sense, and insight into human psychology had made him a fairly good fortune teller. He pleased his customers and made living out of it. One night, when the astrologer was about to wind up his things and go back home, he saw a man standing before him. He sensed a possible client. He started his tactics to gain money from him, but the man was irritated by his talk. He told him that he wanted correct answer to his questions, not the vague and journal answers which the astrologer used to give his clients. The astrologer was unwilling to answer the questions of this man, but the man challenged him and said that he would pay him 1 rupee if he gave satisfactory answer to his questions. If he failed, he would have to give him twice. Then the stranger lit a cigar and said, the astrologer got a brief look of his face by the matchlight. He was shocked to see his face. He wanted to go home without answering the questions, but the stranger didn't allow him to go. Astrologer muttered some magical words and told him that he was stabbed and left for dead. He was pushed into a well. The man found his answer correct and added that he was taken out of the well by passerby. He wanted to know when he would meet the man who had almost killed him. The astrologer replied that he would meet him in the next world, since the man was dead. He was crushed under a lorry. The stranger had wanted to kill him, but he was satisfied that he had met with a cruel death as he deserved. The astrologer told him that his name was Guru Nayak and advised him not to venture south of his village as it would be very risky for him. He may lose his life if he did. Guru Nayak was satisfied and paid him the money and left. The astrologer heaved a sigh of relief. He collected his things and went home. He gave his wife the earnings of the day. He told her that one man alone had given him 1 rupee. Now see the twist in story. In beginning, writer told about astrologer that he was fake. But now, not only astrologer gave correct prediction to the client about his past, but also told his name was Guru Nayak. His wife was pleased at the extra money that he had earned that day. This would enable her to make sweets for the children. After dinner, the astrologer, sitting on the payal, told his wife that when he was young, he drank, gambled, quarreled, and stabbed a man and thrown him into a well. He thought that the man was dead. Therefore, he had fled his village. Today, he met the same man whom he thought he had killed. He felt relieved to see that man. He was carrying the burden of guilt of murdering person. After sharing this with his wife, he stretched himself on payal and slept soundly. So it was the day of an astrologer because he felt relieved and happy to know that man whom he thought he had killed was actually alive. The dark load inside him disappeared. Dear students, when you will go through lesson, You will find some Indian words are used like Kovri, Pais, Ana, Spayol, Chutka. This is an example of code mixing, that is combination of two languages, Hindi and English. Example, Domino's Pizza, hungry kya? Domino's Pizza, hungry are English words. Kya is Hindi word. Then moral of the story. We should never believe in superstitions and other ill practices in our society. We should never run away from our mistakes.